Starting February 1st, you can now make money with YouTube Shorts. Let's talk about it. So I'm gonna scooch over and I'm gonna put some things up here. Before this new thing is coming out, it's gonna be replacing the YouTube Shorts fund. You would get a bonus if your shorts did good, and it could be anywhere from $100 to $10,000 a month. Now, I'm pretty sure they haven't really released the entire thing yet because it's not going out until February, and today is not February, so we don't really know the entire details about it, but it is supposed to be replacing that, and it should be more regularly sending you income, kind of like a regular video. Like this video, you know, if you watch it, I'm gonna get a certain amount of money. There's gonna be RPM, there's gonna be CPM, and I believe that's what they're gonna start doing with YouTube Shorts. So if somebody watches it, there's gonna be an RPM, there's gonna be CPM. I don't know how much it's gonna be. It could be way lower, it could be way higher, because YouTube Shorts, people are getting millions of views every single video. They pop off, they go crazy, but then the real video, 10,000 views. So I think the payout is gonna be much different, especially with how many views some people are getting on their shorts, but you never really know. So let's get into a little bit of the basics. You pretty much just have to sign this form. You gotta read through it, you gotta scroll down to the bottom, you gotta accept it, then there's another form, you have to accept that form. So there's two forms that you have to accept. It's super cool, super crazy. You pretty much just have to say you're not going to post anything bad and you're going to follow all of YouTube's agreements, and then you can start posting shorts and make money. So pretty much what I think a lot of creators are already doing, and they're going to start doing it even more with this new YouTube Shorts thing, is they will take clips from a video, cut them out, and put them into a short, and they'll just post like 20 of them, and if they get, you know, they all get views, then they get a little bit more of that revenue from YouTube. And I think that that's going to be a great way to start utilizing YouTube Shorts, because they kind of have just been a way to get extra views, but they didn't count the watch time, and I believe that was honestly it. They counted the subscribers, because you can't like not count a subscriber, but they didn't count the watch time from the thing. So if you got 1 million views in, you know, 15 seconds, that's a lot of watch time from that one video, but it didn't count if you weren't monetized yet. I wonder if the watch time will count since they're a monetized video. So it could be the same, it could be different. They haven't really released all of that information yet, and it didn't really say that in the agreement form. I'm curious to see what happens. I actually posted a short here this morning, and since it's not February, I don't think I'll get paid for it yet, but I am intrigued to see what will happen. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that as well. So let's dive a little bit deeper into this YouTube Shorts fund. So recently, with short form content being way more popular than ever, with TikTok pretty much at the top, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Snapchat Spotlight, and I believe that's the big four, at least for me, that I've heard of that are people are using and utilizing to get more views using short form content. Here is a little chart that I found off of nationalpositions.com. This is from when YouTube Shorts were released. These are the numbers. So we're just gonna kind of do this live because I can't download this photo. But this is the time frame of 6 months. The uploads from short form content were up 169%, and the views, 1.75 billion views. That is 500% up from last year's numbers, which is absolutely crazy if you ask me. So YouTube Shorts is going to be super big this year, and I think that if you're not posting a YouTube Short at least one time a week, maybe even more, maybe even one time a day at this point, and utilizing Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is also at the very top of that chart. There's the big five. The big five right now: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I think TikTok might be at the top, YouTube, and Snapchat. Those are the big five. And if you're not posting, you can honestly just post the exact same YouTube Short on each of those different things. If you just download it, and then you can post it on each different thing, and you can title it differently, you can edit it differently, whatever you want to do, but you can post it, the same video, 5 different times. Get that opportunity to get 5 different viewers from different parts of the world, from different areas, on different apps, and different people coming to your channel or your Instagram or your TikTok, wherever you want to have them end up. Me, it's YouTube. And I think it's a great way that you can use it to utilize it. And now that you can start making money with it, it's just gonna be that much bigger of a priority for a lot more creators, I think. I mean, you know, look at Mr. Beast. He has a YouTube Shorts channel. It's got like, I think it has like 20 million subscribers. That's insane. You know, that's just crazy. 20 million subscribers for a shorts channel. I mean, he's probably getting bonuses of $10,000 a month just off of that. And the videos are literally clips of his videos that he just cut out 15 seconds of it, and he posts 10 of them. It's crazy. YouTube Shorts is going to be the biggest thing this year, and I think that you really need to utilize it if you want to get your channel seen in 2023. That is my professional opinion. I'm just kidding. I'm not, I'm no professional, nothing crazy, but off of what I know as being a monetized creator, I would like to, put that out there, that short form content is a way to build that community that you have been trying to build for the past however long, whether it be a month, whether it be 6 months, whether it be 6 years. Short form content is the way to build your community, and whether you're trying to build it or you already have a community, short form content is an easy way, even if it's a 5-second video, 6-second video, 3-second video, of you just saying, hey, what's up guys, I'm going to be posting a video this Thursday. Your people will see it, they're going to be like, oh, well, he's posting a video Thursday, I'm going to come back and watch it. You're going to have more people coming back, you're going to grow your audience, and it's going to be an overall growth just from those 15-second videos. All you have to do is film a long form video. That's the key part. Film a long form video, post it, clip little pieces of it. It could be different, it could be the same. The same one, that's fine. It could be different, that's fine. Take those 15 seconds, take those 10 seconds, take that 5 seconds of that video and post it on each and every little piece of social media and watch the numbers grow. If you can do that consistently for a couple months, let's just say 1 month consistently, and you see no growth, don't do it. But I can guarantee you, if you post on all 5 of the big 5, every single day, short form content from the long form content video that you posted, you will see growth. That is YouTube Shorts 2023 explained. All you have to do is film a long video. You're just talking, you're showing people what you're doing throughout the day. You're getting ready, you're going out, you're vlogging, you're just talking to the camera. People like to be related to. Bring something to the table that people can relate to. People can relate to, if you have a car, people can relate to a car. If you have a job, people can relate to you having a job. If you have a business, people can relate to that. If you are making a video about getting ready and you can't find your shoes, people can relate to that. Bring something to the table people can relate to and make a long form content video. I would say, 7 to 10 minute video, then cut 15 seconds out of it and make a short. You're gonna see it from this video. You're gonna see a short from this video, probably 5 different ones from this video, because I think this video is very informational and it's bringing a lot of good content to the table. I just wanted to throw that out there for today, guys, because it is coming up. February is coming up, so be prepared. You got to be ready. You got to have some videos ready to drop on February. I'm going to be getting ready this entire month, so let's get ready together, guys. Let me know down below what you're going to be posting first. Either it's long, short, whatever it is, where it is. I want to know what social media you're posting on, what you're going to post, and how you're going to post it. Whether it's long, whether it's short, whether it's on Snapchat, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on Facebook, wherever it is. And let me know what your plan is. Let me know what the plan is. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking day, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a great day. That did not sound good. Have a great day, guys. See you guys.